तो श्रेयांक तो स्कूल में एक बैकबेंचर किड था. आई थिंक शार्क टैंक इज one of the best things that have happened to Indian television.
तो डागा साहब आपकी क्या उम्र
20 दिन पहले ही 18 साल का.
Oh my god.
आपको नेशनल टेलीविजन पे 12-15 मिनट विजिबिलिटी मिलती है जो आप करोड़ों देके भी नहीं खरीद सकते. पीयूष बंसल एंड विनीता सिंह इन्वेस्टेड ऑन दैट एपिसोड.
Congratulations.
They liked my performance on Shark Tank.
परफॉर्मेंस?
ये स्कैन करके आप मुझे फंड ट्रांसफर कर सकते
They invited me to KBC. Yeah, I was on the hot seat. I reached question number 12, which is around 12,50,000. And then I video called my friend and उन्होंने गलत आंसर दे दिया.
Lamont aims to spark a cultural shift from comparison to confidence, from imitation to individuality, from following trends to owning your story. Through our movement, #BeYourStory, we're building a space that celebrates the real achievers, the dreamers, the creators, the bold ones, rewriting what success actually looks like. We want to normalize ambition. We want to make confidence relatable. And we also want to remind today's youth that self-expression is not vanity, it's power. Because when people start owning their stories, society also starts changing its narrative. Some kids grow up dreaming of grades. Others, they grow up building empires. He was just 15 when most of us were figuring out homework, but he was figuring out how to run a business. While others were applying for internships, he was pitching to the sharks. And when they offered funding, he walked away. Why? Because he believed his own vision more than any check. He turned ideas into income, dreams into data, and built something that's changing how young Indians learn. From classrooms to boardrooms, his journey proves that you don't need permission to start. You just need purpose. So please welcome the youngest visionary changing the startup game, Shreyan Daga. Welcome
Hi.
to the show.
Hi Mahir, how are you?
Very good. How are you?
All good.
Are you comfortable today? Happy to be here? We are very happy to have you here.
Yeah. I'm honestly, I love the concept of Be Your Story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's deep dive into it. What is Shreyan's story?
तो श्रेयांक तो स्कूल में एक बैकबेंचर किड था. उसको कभी
Two of
भी यस उसको कभी भी बोर्ड पे क्या पढ़ा रहे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. बुक से क्या रिलेट ही नहीं कर पाता था कि यार रियल लाइफ में किधर यूज होता है. एंड आई ऑनेस्टली लॉस्ट इंटरेस्ट बिकॉज इट वाज ओनली थियरी. सारे स्कूल के बच्चे मेरे साथ सेम चीज बोलेंगे कि यार पढ़ तो रहे बट रट्टा मार रहे, अगले दिन एग्जाम के बाद भूल जा रहे.
Yes.
So that was the whole concept, the whole problem statement of starting OLL was that I want to create a practical learning revolution. कि स्कूल में हमें सिर्फ सीखना नहीं सिखाए, मतलब not just to रट्टा मारना, but how do we use it, where do we use it, and learning skills that are important in today's world. So मतलब that was the story behind it.
So what does OLL stand for?
It's just all.
Just all.
Yeah.
Why all? What was the reason behind the name, and how important is the name in a business?
I think name plays a very big role. Today you remember OLX, Ola,
Yeah.
OLL.
Yeah.
So 3 letter वाले name बहुत अच्छे impactful रहते हैं.
Who told you this? It's something you figured on your own?
Yeah.
Nice. So you're doing this alone, or you have like founders with you?
No, I'm doing this alone.
Alone.
Yeah. But my parents have been supporting me, so it's
So
been
take
amazing.
us through the journey of like when you had the idea, which you like
Yeah.
touched upon, till the very start, and then we'll eventually lead into the Shark Tank pitch.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So in fact, मेरा पहला जो entrepreneurship journey था
हाँ.
was at the age of 8.
8 में क्या करा है सर?
8 साल की उम्र में. तो मुझे है ना मुझे फुटबॉल शूज खरीदने थे. You know those Nike वाले जो studs.
Mercurials.
Yeah, exactly that one. So I wanted to buy those. Now वो आते थे 7,000 के.
Yes.
So I used to go up to my नानी. I used to stay with my नानी. तो नानी को पूछा था कि मुझे ये खरीदना है. बोलते पैसे पेड़ पे उगते हैं क्या? तो I said, she said no. So, पर मुझे तो खरीदना था. So I used to paint very well, make paintings. So I decided to start selling those paintings to earn money, to collect money to buy myself some shoes. So I sold my first painting for 9,000 rupees.
8 years के थे, किसने 8-year-old से 9,000 की पेंटिंग खरीदी है?
खरीदने वाला बहुत अमीर था.
Okay.
So I ended up using that money to buy myself some shoes.
Yes.
That was my first journey into entrepreneurship. At age of 13, I entered the stock market
Okay.
as an intern.
Stock market में क्या?
intern.
Okay.
So 7वीं कक्षा में मैंने internship चालू कर दी थी
ठीक है.
and उधर मैंने सीखा how to research on stocks, how to read balance sheets, P&L statements.
But there are
And
so many jargons in that. How did you know? Like a balance sheet has like all the accountancy jargon. Stock market has 100 ratios. How do you know?
मुझे तो लगता है
It's
सिर्फ
like-
4th स्टैंडर्ड में जो प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन परसेंटेज सिखाया है उतना
हाँ.
काफी है.
Hmm.
उससे आई थिंक बहुत सारी चीजें मेरे स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन मिल गए. आई थिंक टिल देयर इट्स गुड टू लर्न इन स्कूल.
Yeah.
उसके बाद यू शुड लर्न इन योर ओन इंटरेस्ट.
What was
So-
next after the stock market
I
internship?
ended up starting my own bank in school in 9th grade.
On bank.
Yeah, outside the school canteen. So canteen में बच्चों को खाना खरीदने के लिए पैसा चाहिए रहता था.
Hmm.
So they would normally borrow it
हाँ.
from friends. So I said कि मैं एक छोटा सा बैंक खोलता हूँ, 500 रुपए देता हूँ, 700 रुपए अगले हफ्ते लेता हूँ,
Hmm.
40% इंटरेस्ट इन
Wow.
1 week.
And वो दे भी रहे.
वो दे भी रहे, राइट? तो एक हफ्ते में 40% इंटरेस्ट बन रहा था. तो दिमाग स्टार्टिंग से धंधे में था. एंड आई एम अ मारवाड़ी, सो बाय
Okay.
डिफॉल्ट वो
In your genes.
जीन्स में है ही कि प्रॉफिट
हाँ.
बनाना है. तो वैसे स्टार्ट हुआ एंड एट एज 15 इज व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड OLL.
Okay. And what was the story behind OLL other than what you've mentioned already?
The story behind OLL is actually a quite unique one. I decided to leave home
Okay.
at the age of 15. I was very inspired by Gautam Buddha.
Okay.
So he was like he was living in a palace and he decided to give up all of his belongings when he saw some pain.
Hmm.
Similarly, I was living in a house where I had everything for me, right? Kapde, khana, rehna,
Yeah.
everything is there. So I decided to leave home and donate all my belongings on the way. So I decided donating my wallet, my slippers, and जब मैंने मेरा साइकिल एक बच्चे को दिया, he took the cycle and he said, भैया मेरा सपना पूरा हो गया. And that is the time it dawned upon me, यार कुछ बड़ा करना है.
Hmm.
2 hours later, the police found me, barefoot, nothing on my hand, everything gone. Parents got me back home. थोड़ा चिल्लाया, नानी तो रोने लग गई, नानू भी रोने लग गए.
Hmm.
And then they were like कि यार अगर कुछ करना ही है ना impact, तो ऐसे अकेले में निर्वाणा ढूंढने में impact नहीं मिलेगा. You have to really give back to society and solve problems. And that's when, that was Feb 15th, 2020. April 4th, 2020 is when I start OLL.
Got it. So this is your way of giving back, you would say?
Yeah, this is my way of
So
saying
you're
that.
not doing it for the money.
No. Other journeys
purely-
were for money. Now it doesn't inspire me.
Now it's pure passion.
Yeah.
So now you took this and aap gaye Shark Tank. How was that entire experience? For a layman watching, you can explain how to reach Shark Tank firstly, and secondly, what happens once you get there.
I think Shark Tank is one of the best things that have happened to Indian television,
Hmm.
right? Because har ghar mein entrepreneurship
Is there, correct?
is there. And they made it like a Saas Bahu TV show, right?
Yeah.
Jhagda, lafda.
Hmm.
And that's how it got viral. So the entry point is just go to Google, search Shark Tank application. I mean, I'm not promoting it, but
Yeah.
yes, just go to Google, search Shark Tank applications, and then just apply. And there are multiple rounds of selection, but the whole reason why you would get selected is because आपका story TV पे चलना चाहिए.
Okay.
Because it's a TV show, right? You should be viral, you should be worth talking about.
Hmm.
So मेरे में क्या था, 18 साल का बच्चा 10वीं ड्रॉप आउट और महीने का 28 लाख रुपए कमा रहा है, 18 लाख प्रॉफिट. तो बोले वाह, सही है, इसको लाओ. So then they got me on the tank, and initially everybody thinks it's scripted, but है नहीं.
नहीं.
नहीं है scripted. It's a very natural 2-hour long pitch which gets compressed into 12 minutes, and it's a very good experience out there.
So it's 2 hours that it goes on entirely.
Yeah. They grill you on everything. आपके पास
Yeah.
गर्लफ्रेंड है कि नहीं, आपके माँ बाप क्या करते हैं, हर एक चीज आपके बारे में जानते हैं. पूरा बहुत ही अच्छा इन डेप्थ एक्सपीरियंस है.
Hmm. And you touched upon the numbers. So how's the company doing and how's it done from the day it started till now?
So in the 10th standard, when I started this company, the first year itself, we did a revenue of 1.34 crores with a net profit of 28 lakhs.
How did you distribute so quick in the first year?
We started initially, in fact, we started B2C free. We started a freemium model कि
Okay.
पहले free में
तो फ्री में क्या मिलता था फिर प्रीमियम में क्या हुआ?
फ्री में 1-2 सेशंस हम लोग वर्कशॉप सेमिनार्स टाइप करते थे, क्रैश कोर्सेज, एंड उसके बाद
हम लोग कौन? You had hired
we had
teachers?
hired teachers,
Okay.
right? And then we decided to pitch them for paid. तो इसमें क्या हुआ, फ्री में लोग आ गए, पैसा कोई नहीं दिया तो 2 महीने चलाया, यूजर्स आ रहे बट पैसा कोई नहीं दे रहा।
Users कैसे आए? Word of mouth?
पूरा वर्ड ऑफ माउथ, व्हाट्सएप के कोविड था, सब घर पे बैठे हुए, माँ बाप व्हाट्सएप पे फॉरवर्ड करते जा रहे, ये क्लास हो रहा है, तो काफी अच्छा वायरलिटी हो गया। बट देन आई एम अ मारवाड़ी एंड 2 लाख 3 लाख रुपए खर्चे हो गए, कुछ पैसा नहीं आया रिटर्न में। सो माय पेरेंट्स वर लाइक कि वेयर इज द ROI, right? So I decided to, take a different approach to go through schools. So we changed our go-to-market channel from B2C to B2B2C.
Okay.
So schools started recommending our courses, and then parents trust the school, so directly the payment.
So 2 things. You can just explain to the audience watching what B2B2C is. Second, why would schools trust the courses that you are bringing?
Exactly.
So something about your business that, like if someone watching is not aware.
Correct.
Yeah.
Definitely. So B2C and B2B2C बताता हूँ। Business to customer मतलब जैसे example हमारा ये brand है Lamont, they are a B2C facing brand, a retail shops
ठीक है।
जैसे उनके है, तो directly वो customer को बेचते हैं,
Okay.
right? And a B2B would be something like कि मैं Lamont को बेच रहा हूँ, या मैं आप कोई और दूसरे ब्रांड को बेच रहा हूँ, या कोई ऐसा,
और वो आगे कस्टमर को
वो आगे कस्टमर को बेच रहा है। So that is how we started pitching to schools directly. And initially there was this, I think lockdown में था कि ट्रेंड था कि कोडिंग सीखो, बच्चों को कोडिंग
Yes.
सिखाओ। व्हाइट हैट जूनियर ने एक ट्रेंड बना दिया, कोडिंग सिखाओ। सो सब कोई अराउंड 8-10 हज़ार रुपए पे कर रहे थे अपने बच्चे को कोडिंग सिखाने के लिए। सो वी डिसाइडेड टू प्राइस आवरसेल्व्स एट 1,999, 2,000 रुपए में 16 सेशंस कोडिंग सिखाओ। सो one thing that worked right with us was the pricing.
That's a great price for 16 sessions.
Yeah, it was a great price.
Yeah.
The second thing that worked very well with us was that हम लोग ने एक partnership कर ली थी with STEM.org, accreditation लिया था।
STEM क्या है?
STEM.org is an accrediting body for science, technology, engineering, maths.
Okay.
So उन्होंने हमारे courses को certify किया। फिर वही देख के यूनेस्को ने हमारे साथ कोलैबोरेट किया टू हेल्प टू मेक रीच द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इन इंडिया। तो ये 2 सर्टिफिकेशन बॉडीज आ गए, एंड देन वी स्टार्टेड पिचिंग टू स्कूल्स, तो काफ़ी अच्छा पुश हो गया।
Then how do you make sure you stay up to date with all your courses? Because the world's changing every day.
The
right?
world is changing
And your
every day.
credibility is as good as what's going on today.
Exactly.
So then how does
we
that
have a
work?
so initially we started with a very simple team कि मैं ही courses डिज़ाइन करता था एंड हमारे टीचर्स सिखाते थे।
अब कैसे हायर कर रहे थे टीचर्स?
इंटर्नशाला, naukri.com, LinkedIn,
Okay.
बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म।
हाँ.
And then now we have a very strong product team, which has, because the business has grown very well, so it's,
Yes.
I mean, we
How
have
many
to build
employees
a
now?
team. We have 150 people.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. They treat you like a boss. How's
More
the
like a
relationship
friend.
there? Yeah. Of course.
Yeah.
They're probably most of them are your age or older.
They're
right?
elder than me. Most of them are
Yeah,
elder than me.
elder than me. तो उससे होता है that young boss, person younger than us is our boss.
कभी
You
कभी
see
होता
that
है।
difference?
Not always. I mean, अगर काम से matter करता है, like if I am the one who's getting things done, I'm the one who's pushing them to go forward, and they are receiving the same kind of feedback and things too. So
Fair.
I think work comes above politics out there.
Chalo, let's talk about the pros and cons of Shark Tank.
pros of Shark Tank, let's start with that,
Yeah.
is that आपको national television पे 12-15 मिनट visibility मिलती है जो आप करोड़ों देके भी नहीं
नहीं।
खरीद सकते.
कितने लोग देखते हैं शार्क टैंक?
I don't know the exact number honestly,
Approx.
but Sony TV पे जितने भी लोग देखते हैं वो सब देखते हैं. मतलब बहुत लोग there are, and it's built its own cult following. पहले साल में तो जो कॉमन आदमी था वो भी देख रहा था क्योंकि अश्विनी ग्रोवर ने वायरल कर दिया.
Yes, correct.
You know, he's got that दारू, I mean गाली देने वाला accent. But
Yes.
second season is when the cult started building of the people who really were genuinely interested in businesses.
Yeah.
And that's when those people start watching.
So that's the pro.
Yeah.
And the con?
The cons is that you जो चेक वो टीवी पे दिखाते हैं
हाँ.
वो नकली होता है. Obviously, I mean it's
Fair enough.
a check which they're writing on spot. तो वो चेक असली नहीं होता है. Second is जो चेक उनसे रिसीव होता है, I mean you think that okay ये कंपनी को फंडिंग मिल चुकी है.
Next day घर गए डिपॉजिट करवाया in your bank? No?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं. So it's more like you take it back home and you frame it. उसका कुछ नहीं काम है. But with the team of their team, you start discussing क्या होने वाला है क्या नहीं होने वाला है. And they take 8 months. आपकी कंपनी we recorded our episode on August 2022. March 2023 they said okay चलो अब हम लोग चालू करते हैं due diligence.
तो उस 8 months क्या हुआ?
8 months कुछ नहीं होता.
Ghosted? No, मतलब
Ghosted.
कुछ बोला ही नहीं.
नहीं कुछ नहीं.
You reached out?
Yeah.
No reply.
No reply.
So who funded you in that episode?
Piyush Bansal and Vinita Singh invested on that episode. And
I think you said something pretty amusing on that episode too. Let's talk about that and then move to the funding process. Do you mind telling everyone what you said?
okay, so Vinita Singh asked me कि अगर बायजूस या अनअकैडमी जैसे बड़ी कंपनी आपको खरीदना चाहते
हाँ.
तो आप क्या कहोगे उनको. एंड मुझ में चुल पड़ी थी. मैंने बोल दिया कि मेरा एक माइलस्टोन है कि मुझे बायजूस एंड अनअकैडमी को खरीदना है. अगले दिन हर न्यूज़पेपर पे हेडलाइन वाज 18 साल का बच्चा वांट्स टू बाय बायजूस एंड अनअकैडमी. एंड सब कॉल करके बोल रहे पागल हो गया क्या ये हो गया. इट बिकेम सो वायरल. मीम्स बनने लगे. एंड यस
But is that actually a goal?
it is a milestone.
Yeah.
And I have said it publicly. तो जो बोलता है तो करना
Yeah.
पड़ता है.
So I'll be there to publicly tell you that it's very much possible and I hope it happens for you.
Yeah, I mean many people have told me कि तेरे वजह से बायजूस.
Yeah. So okay, let's come back to the funding, okay?
Yeah.
So now he's given you the check, the fake check.
Correct.
Okay, now what? 8 months हो गए, he's not reached out.
नहीं. So his team reaches out obviously.
Of course. Yeah.
But I think that the due diligence also doesn't start. And then after that what happens is कि तब तक आपकी कंपनी बड़ी हो गई. You know, you've grown as an individual, you've grown as a company.
Yeah.
And they want the same valuation. So we were like कि नहीं, it doesn't make sense. So then we only said no.
Oh, they did eventually reach out.
They did eventually reach out and they said we would like to invest the same valuation. I said this is the current market value as per, because we were doing more revenue than the valuation. तो हम लोग ने बोला यार क्या सेंस तो नहीं बन रहा है तो आप.
But उस time पे you needed their funding or you went for marketing?
नहीं, I never needed the funding. It was a profitable company from ground.
Okay, so you went कि सब देखें company के बारे में.
हाँ.
Fair. So it didn't hurt you that you
It didn't
get
hurt
the-
me. So if anybody is going to Shark Tank, don't go for funding. That's number one reason.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now what about shows like KBC and all? वहाँ मिलती है funding? Like if you win, do you actually win?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they liked my performance on Shark Tank. Performance.
Yeah.
And they invited me to KBC. वहाँ पे KBC में it was under 25 age group में. बाकी सब IIT, IIM, IIT plus IIM और मैं 10th grade.
हाँ.
तो मुझे पहले उधर inferiority थोड़ा complex आ रहा था कि यार मैं इधर कर क्या रहा हूँ. but I was just there to meet Amitabh Bachchan. That was
How was the
only
KBC
good.
experience?
Amazing. That he is a god. Like, you know, he wakes up whatever time he wakes up, I don't know, but he came to shoot at 11 a.m. and he's 83 years old.
Yeah.
He had more energy than all of us combined in the whole room. मतलब 100 लोग थे उस रूम में, उसके पास ज़्यादा एनर्जी था, and he left at 12:30 a.m.
Wow.
He doesn't need the money, he doesn't need the fame, he's got
Yeah.
everything he wants, but that guy has so much energy. मतलब for me that humbled me so much
Yeah.
कि यार तुम कौन हो, तुमने उखाड़ा क्या है, देख वो कौन है और वो कितना काम कर रहा है.
You ended up playing show पे?
Yeah, I was on the hot seat.
जीते?
I reached question number 12, which is around 12,50,000.
Okay.
And then I video called my friend. and उन्होंने गलत answer दे दिया.
And you got out.
So I got out, but I did end up winning 3,20,000. And
You got that in your bank.
हाँ, मतलब tax
Ah,
cut
yes,
के,
of course.
yeah.
Anyways, I think like for game shows, it's what a 30%
30% tax
tax.
होता है, yeah.
30%.
But
tax.
it's, I was like कि नहीं पैसा दे तो भी चलेगा. ये वाले में, I mean, just to meet Amitabh Bachchan.
चलो मान लो instead of 12 lakhs, 3 lakhs, whatever, you ended up winning 1 CR in KBC. Now, and you have not started a business so far.
Yeah.
With that 1 CR, what would be a new business or somewhere you'll invest? What would you do with your first CR given you don't have this idea?
That's honestly a very good question. I would straight up put it in FD because मुझे लगता है कि बिजनेस अगर आप चालू करोगे तो आप उसमें पहले तो पैसा 1 करोड़ तो कब गया आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. ठीक है, तो अगर आपको वो पैसे बचाने हैं तो आप वो एफडी में डाल दो और भूल जाओ उसके बारे में. बिजनेस चालू करने के लिए पैसा नहीं जरूरत है. यू नो, आई फील दैट्स अ वेरी बिग थिंग कि लोगों को चलता है बहुत बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट लगता है कोई भी बिजनेस चालू करने के लिए. बट आज की डेट पे देयर आर इतने सारे एआई टूल्स अवेलेबल है कि आप चलो एआई टूल्स बोल छोड़ो, यू कैन bootstrap businesses on your own without
Yeah.
investing even 1 rupee.
Okay, 2 things. 3 things. First, how much did you personally invest in all? Second, what are the AI tools that you would suggest? You can name any 2, 3. And third, what are some low investment businesses that you think people watching could start or look into at least?
Definitely. अब आप 3 क्वेश्चन पूछते मैं तीनों भूल गया. एक एक करके जाते हैं. So I think the first question was how much did I invest in
Correct.
OLL? So initially, as I told you, 2 lakh rupees was the amount that we
Yes.
put in for the first month when we did free courses. But I think if we would have avoided that mistake,
Yeah.
then we could have been profitable from day one.
Deva.
Yeah.
Okay. Second, the AI tools.
The AI
3
tool.
AI tools someone starting a business could use.
Someone starting a business. So I think that one is that you should learn how to use Lovable very well.
Lovable. I know, but people watching what
Lovable
is
मतलब
Lovable?
आप लिखो और वो आपका ऐप या वेबसाइट बना के दे देगा
60 seconds.
in 10 to 20 seconds. ओके, एंड उसमें आप चेंजेस दो, आपको फिक्स करके दे देगा और उसको आप डेटाबेस से कनेक्ट कर दो, फंक्शनल हो जाएगा, एंड उसको आप डोमेन लगा दो, लाइव होस्ट हो जाएगा.
ऐसे लगता है शिट मैंने क्यों नहीं सोचा Lovable. Do you feel that when you look at other businesses?
नहीं, आई डोंट फील दैट.
No.
But yes, it's a very good
Correct.
solution for someone who wants to start a tech-based website.
Any
Like,
other tools you can suggest?
I mean, other than that, what I personally use is like Gemini, ChatGPT. इससे आपका पूरा social media content creation solve हो जाता है. And last but not the least is Gamma. I think PPT सारे बन जाते हैं. तो मतलब आपको business चालू करने के लिए कुछ करना ही नहीं है. मतलब आप उसमें लिख भी दो ना कि give me business idea, execute business idea, वो भी करके दे देगा आपको. So it's that level.
But will that work?
That's
You are using AI in your business?
we do use AI to manage a lot of things now, like managing our teachers. We make sure that every single teacher is trained properly and we test them through AI.
Got it.
तो बहुत सारे जगह पे हम
Okay. Third, and then I'll add a fourth follow-up. Third, you tell me low investment businesses that people watching can get into.
बहुत ही सिंपल बिजनेसेस इनफैक्ट मेरा कंटेंट उसी पे वायरल हुआ था. मैंने बिजनेस आइडियाज शेयर किए इंस्टाग्राम पे
Okay.
और बोला कि अगर आप ये एग्जीक्यूट करोगे तो मैं इन्वेस्ट कर दूंगा.
करा किसी ने?
हाँ, आई मीन बहुत सारे लोगों ने एग्जीक्यूट
क्या आइडियाज थे?
सो एक काफ़ी वायरल आइडिया था, जैसे जेप्टो इज क्विक कॉमर्स, वैसा ऐसे एक ट्रैफिक कॉमर्स बनाते जो लोग बुक्स और ऐसे पेन्स बेचते हैं ना. व्हेन यू आर इन ट्रैफिक, पीपल कम टू यू, दे ट्राई टू सेल यू बुक्स, दे ट्राई टू सेल यू पेन. वैसे ही आप उसको एक मार्केट प्लेस जैसा बना दो.
Interesting.
इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे उसको आप प्रोडक्ट सप्लाई करो, वो बेचेगा हायर मार्जिन पे या कोई एक्स्ट्रा सरचार्ज लेगा, because people sitting in traffic get bored, they want to purchase something, and you have built a distribution network of these people.
Nice.
This was one of the most viral reels. एक और था कि वॉचमैन आज के डेट पे बहुत सारे रात को तो सब सो ही जाते हैं. तो कुछ ऐसा सोल्यूशन ऐसा बनाए जो वॉचमैन को रिप्लेस कर पाए. These kind of things are something which I
Okay, so you mentioned that you dropped out of school.
correct.
What, like today, who should be dropping out of school, and what is the importance of education system in the conventional sense, be it school, college? Just जो traditional route बताते हैं, that.
देखो, मैं किसी को रेकमेंड नहीं कर रहा, डिस्क्लेमर, कि स्कूल छोड़ दो. बट मैंने क्यों छोड़ा मैं वो बता देता हूँ. मैंने जब 10वीं में बिजनेस चालू किया था तब, आई मीन इवन बिफोर दैट मेरे मार्क्स खराब ही थे. बट नंबर्स बहुत मैटर होते हैं, राइट? कोई भी दुनिया में देखता है कि आप कितना भी काम कर लो, एंड में लोग देखते हैं कि आपके मार्क्स कितने आए, या आपके बैंक में बैलेंस कितना है, या आपका बैलेंस शीट में प्रॉफिट कितना. तो हमारे बैलेंस शीट में प्रॉफिट था और मार्क शीट में नहीं था. तो जब वो था तो मैंने बोला देखो भाई ये रिजल्ट है एंड मुझे यही करना है. तो माँ बाप ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया. एंड
I mean, उस बैलेंस शीट के साथ कौन नहीं करेगा.
बट यस, सोसाइटी से बहुत सारे प्रेशर आता है कि यार
हाँ, कि स्कूल भी नहीं करवाया.
हाँ, माँ बाप, माय पेरेंट्स फेस अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स आर देयर. माय ओन नानी वाज लाइक कि आप पागल हो गए,
बैलेंस शीट.
12वीं तो करवा. दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड स्टिल. आई मीन
But fair, मतलब you started with school?
Sorry?
You started all with school? Like when you were in school?
When
you
I was
started?
in school, yeah.
And when the business are doing well, you left school?
Yeah.
Okay. Which was basically
In
month 1, right?
No,
Of
like
the business.
by month 12, I had left.
So 12 months you managed school and business?
Yeah. And वो ही सेम रिलेटिव्स फिर बाद में आके जब शार्क टैंक पे आया,
Congratulations.
अरे ये तो मेरा बेटा है.
Of course.
फॉरवर्ड व्हाट्सएप पे हो जाता है कि यार यही सही है.
Chalo, you complete the sentence for me. Don't drop out of college if
You don't have results in your business,
fair.
or if you don't have a income greater than what you can get from college or school.
But do you think it's important to
Yeah.
get education?
I think it is important to learn. I don't think it is important to learn theoretically first
Got it.
and be assessed on theory.
So कहीं से भी आए, just learning should be.
Yeah.
Fair. Okay, so let's talk about the edtech industry. We talked about, you said you wanted to buy Byju's as well. Unfortunately, they've had like a downturn. So what do you think about the edtech industry in India right now, and why do you think a company like Byju's failed?
आपने अगर बायजूस के नंबर्स देखे होंगे तो
हाँ.
उनका जो मार्केटिंग का बजट था was 80% of their expenses. आप सोचो कि वो एक मार्केटिंग कंपनी है या वो एक एजुकेशन कंपनी, राइट? सो अगर आप ऐसा सीन देख रहे हो कोई भी बिजनेस में कि उसके कंपनी का मार्केटिंग बजट उसके नॉर्मल कॉग्स से ज़्यादा है, तो फिर वो कंपनी में प्रॉब्लम्स होएगी. एंड सिमिलर वाज द सेम फॉर ऑल द एडटेक कंपनीज. बट हैव यू सीन द सेम इन एनी ऑफ द ट्रेडिशनल एजुकेशन companies?
No, in fact, I think like Byju's, they took out their own like tablets as well, right?
Yeah.
If I'm not wrong. which is completely off what we're used to in education.
Exactly.
Hmm.
So the whole game was about marketing. कौन ज़्यादा marketing कर सकता है? Indian jersey पे डालो,
But
शाहरुख
उनने
खान
इतनी
को
करी
फिर-
marketing. But why did they not get the audience? Why did it still fail?
Because-
80% लगा दिया.
Exactly. Because marketing doesn't play the whole role. Education is all about retention.
Yes.
कि एक बार यूजर ने यूज किया तो उनने बार बार कितने बार यूज किया, शेयर कितने लोगों को किया. बट वेयर इज द सेम थिंग विद अस. एग्जांपल OLL. It's been 5 years we've been in the education company business, whatever you want to call it. We have a 0 rupee budget for marketing. We don't have a advertisement budget only.
Shark Tank.
Shark Tank तो एक है, but I mean being a B2B business, it's growing completely organic. And
Wow.
it's all on retention. We have a 97% renewal rate.
97.
Yeah,
Till like what? Average duration is 5 years till they pass out of school या चलते रहते हैं?
till 10 years. मतलब first
Average
standard to 10th
customer
standard.
lifetime value is 10 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
मैं हमारी कंपनी 10 साल की नहीं हुई है, but
Eventually.
we've been working, so 3 years we've been working with schools offline, and it's been.
So what's your competition?
My competition is the local skill trainers, local skill classes,
Tuition centers. and all.
tuition centers. I don't treat anybody as my competition at a big scale right now.
Hmm.
Only myself. But
Yes. Love that. But do you plan on taking over that market as well, the traditional tuition space?
not academic tuition, but like skill-based learning,
Like
like setting up centers for skill learning,
dance, all of
robotics,
that.
AI,
Okay.
entrepreneurship.
Quickly touching on AI as well, do you think it is taking away people's jobs and it's as much of an evil as some people make it to be?
मुझे तो लगता है .com के साथ भी सेम ही चीज लोग बोले होंगे. I
हाँ.
mean कि सारे jobs चले जाएंगे, but I think it will invent more jobs. It will create more jobs. It's just that it's overhyped right now.
हाँ, अभी तो है. जहाँ सुनो the buzzword is AI.
मतलब वॉशिंग मशीन पे AI डाल दिया. क्या AI यूज करेगा
Yeah.
वॉशिंग मशीन, पता नहीं. But I think it's just overhyped right now. But there will be a phase where that bubble will burst, which is very soon.
Yes.
And then people will start finding real use cases which generate revenue from it.
Got it. And do you think the Indian customer is ready for an edtech company to come and take over, or edtech businesses in general? Indian customer कैसा है, उनकी क्या प्रोफाइल है, वो रेडी है नहीं है?
International customers are paying for online classes.
डिफरेंस क्या है इंडियन कस्टमर वर्सेस इंटरनेशनल कस्टमर?
आई थिंक एक ट्रस्ट वैल्यू है. मतलब बायजूस ने इतना मार्केट कर दिया, वो ट्रस्ट गेन किया फिर तोड़ दिया.
फिर तो बढ़िया.
एंड जब वो एक, जैसे आप किसी का ट्रस्ट गेन करके तोड़ देते हो तो इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू ट्रस्ट अगेन.
Correct.
So I think that's what an Indian customer has been told, like you cannot trust these online classes. So that has been the situation in terms of Indian market. So I think it's going to be very difficult to shift again unless there's another COVID or another corona. But schools have adopted online very easily. So like बारिश जब होता है, आज छुट्टी नहीं मिलती है, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस
ऑनलाइन क्लास अभी तक हो रहा है.
अभी तक हो रहा है. So it's still there. Yeah.
So you think the Indians are ready to adopt an edtech
Not
company?
yet. There's still some time for online to come back.
And what do you see as the future for edtech in India?
Not so bright yet, but eventually, yes, people will start moving to it.
Got it. Chalo. So before we move on to like fun gaming segments that we prepared for you, anything you want to tell to a 20-year-old watching? So we've started hashtag be your story with Lamont Perfume. So what we're doing is आप उनकी वेबसाइट पे जाओ lamont.co.in, आप अपनी स्टोरी बताओ, and eventually we will get someone जिनने स्टोरी सबमिट की to be part of the podcast, share the platform with us. So for people like that who are building their own story, how you have, what's something someone your age, of course your case and the way you have worked is very different, but what's some advice you would like to give to someone like that?
Something that I would suggest is that we are at an age where हमें माँ बाप या फैमिली के लिए इनकम नहीं कमाना पड़ रहा है, right? I mean, we are not responsible for our family's bread and butter,
Correct.
right? So that is one less responsibility. Second is we aren't married yet. I mean, most of us,
Yeah.
right? So it's something one less responsibility. बच्चे का responsibility नहीं है, marriage का responsibility नहीं है. When we have such less responsibilities, it's very easy to take risks. आगे जाके आपके responsibilities बढ़ते जाते हैं, and you have to live up to them. You cannot take as many risks आगे जाके. तो it's a very golden period in our lives कि आप risk लो, फेल हो तो भी चलेगा, आप वापस किसी चीज़ पे फॉल बैक कर पाओगे 100%. तो अभी टाइम है, सही टाइम है, कुछ उखाड़ने का कोशिश करो. नहीं हुआ तो भी चलेगा, बट ट्राई तो करो.
So the advice is to try at this age.
या
Great. You have a girlfriend?
नो
No. You've ever dated?
आई हैव, बट
Yeah.
आई एम स्टेइंग अवे फॉर लाइक 3-4 years now.
How is the dating life compared to business life? Do you get time balance?
नहीं यार, ऑनेस्टली
नहीं।
नहीं मिलता है. मतलब आई विश आई कुड से दैट एक लोनलीनेस रहता है हर फाउंडर में, जो चाहता है किसी के साथ शेयर कर पाए, बट इट्स समथिंग दैट यू कैन नॉट कमिट टू. आई मीन यू आर इन अ committed relationship, so you understand what is it like to give time to another person, to respect the other person's time as well.
Yes.
I cannot do that right now. My girlfriend is my business, my wife is my business, so मुझे उसी को full time करना पड़ता है.
Fair enough. Okay, so let's get moving to the game segment. Let's do a quick rapid fire round. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. First, what's one mistake that every young entrepreneur should make at least once?
I think everybody's been passing in school. They're not failing at all. So you have to learn how to fail first. So fail करना सीखो.
Don't study for an exam. That's what you're saying.
नहीं, fail in life. Propose to a girl, get rejected. ऐसे
Okay.
कुछ. Fail in life. Yeah.
Okay. So if you had 10,000 rupees today, what business would you start?
I would start a vada pav stall.
Great business. Next, one underrated skill that every founder should learn.
Talking to people, communication. Because at the end of the day, you will have to learn how to delegate work. आपको सारा काम खुद नहीं करना है, तो ऐसे लोग को ढूंढना पड़ेगा जो आपसे better वो काम कर सकते हैं.
So softer skills matter a lot, you're saying?
Yeah. As a founder, 100% it's very important to communicate well.
Next, what is more important, the ideas or the execution?
Execution. Any day.
So you're saying if someone else had the idea of all, they couldn't do it? No.
Never.
Okay. If you could invest in one Gen Z business today, what would it be?
Dhruv Rathi's AI Fest.
Fair. If you get a plug, let me know. I'm in.
100%.
Okay, next, what's like one habit that changed the way you manage your productivity?
I think going to the gym actually helped me out very well. Like earlier I used to just not do any workout, just chill in life and like काम पे जाओ, घर आओ, सो जाओ. And then going to the gym actually really helped
Aren't
me.
you tired after work to go to the gym?
Before work.
Before work.
It really energizes throughout the day.
Okay, what is one business trend that you think is overrated?
AI. Right now, yeah.
So if colleges had a course or a class or a subject on startup, what should they teach first?
They should teach to not be following the norm. Like not follow the status quo first.
And what do you think is harder, building a team or raising funds?
Building a team.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Now
Yes.
we'll move to the perfume round and we'll test your sense of smell. So, of
Awesome.
course, we know you have a really good sense of business. Cool. That is a fact at this point.
Nice one.
But let's see how good your sense is of smelling. We're going to check how well you can smell. We've got Lamont's perfumes coming up,
Okay.
and you're going to do a blind sniff test. Okay. And you just have to sniff and you have to tell us what it makes you feel, where you would wear it, or anything that comes to your mind. There's no script, there's no pressure, whatever you want.
Done.
Okay?
ठीक है.
Cool. Cool. So now we've got these Lamont perfumes. Of course, you will smell it, but first on the physical appearance, just how the bottle looks, which one do you want to start with? Which one are you liking the most?
देखो, like these all are glass pieces. I think this looks quite, intriguing. मतलब कुछ mysterious जैसा लग रहा
Okay, let's start with this. You're the first guest who's not picked the red bottle, actually.
है.
Go for it. Do you like
It's a royal smell, matlab, like what I would wear to like a wedding or something like that. Yeah.
it? Okay, what do you want to do next?
Let's go with
This one?
plain white.
Is that your style? Do you prefer subtle, plainer things?
Yeah.
Yep. Let's see if the smell matches it.
This is more मतलब एक थोड़ा stronger smell है. than the
Stronger in
other.
what way?
I can't describe, मतलब मैं कैसे बोलूँ यार. अच्छा है.
Acha, you like it, chalo. That's what matters. Next, what do you want to take?
Let's go with red.
All right.
Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah.
This is good.
Has this been your favorite so far?
Yeah, I would go with this. It has this-
कहाँ पहनोगे?
I would rather wear this in a business meeting or something like that. But
This for the dates?
yeah, I think this would go for that.
Perfect.
अगर कोई date हो तो.
Guys, DM.
नहीं नहीं मत करना.
Which one do you want to go with?
Let's go with blue, I think. This is like a breezy smell, like pool party जा रहे हो, white shirt में. Yeah.
Okay, on that note, and to thank you for being part of hashtag Be Your Story, we've actually got the full Imperial collection for you. So, can we please have the hamper? This is for
Awesome.
you. Thank you so much.
Thank
All
you
these
so
perfumes
much.
are there.
That's
So,
great.
before we log off, do you want to share your experience and do you want to urge people to come here and tell their own story?
I think Mahir, what you're doing is fantastic. Podcast में I've always noticed जो question answer करना है उससे ज़्यादा important role है जो question पूछ रहा है उसका. Because you drive the conversation, you drive the story, and the story that you've built is amazing, and I think everybody should get a chance to share the stage with you.
Yeah. And your experience is good?
Amazing, fantastic.
Amazing. Perfect. Again, thank you so much for coming, guys. You can go to Lamont's website and you can be part of the show as well. And hope you enjoy these. Hope the date one comes to you soon. And yeah, the DMs are open. Thank you so much.
Thank you, bhai.